This is a relatively common term in education now, and it's the world as a classroom. You couldn't ask for a better classroom than this. Costa Rica is the perfect natural laboratory.
One of the things I love about expeditions is they give students the primacy of self-discovery. Instead of learning about something, they're learning something through their own experiences.
Taking students on multiple day trips is so much more of a powerful learning experience than anything that I can do in the classroom here. We're taking all the theories on sustainability, on biodiversity, on different ecosystems, on geology. We can actually go out and experience all those different aspects firsthand. We're in situations that are dynamic and constantly changing. They're seeing how we adapt, we're seeing how they adapt in different situations. When things aren't comfortable, it's mind-blowing to them.
They step outside of their comfort zone. In their relationships with nature, and when a student steps outside of their comfort zone grows.
I think it's really cool that the brewery community is still it still exists. It's like an interesting experience that I just wasn't expecting, but it's cool.
I learned how they made the cacao. It was so delicious.
And then there's discussion about it and journaling about it. Then when we come back to the classroom, we build off those experiences. In the school, our number one priority is safety of the students. That gets multiplied tenfold when we take the students off of the school property.
Safety is our number one priority. We conduct a risk assessment before every expedition that we take, and making sure that each trip has a certified lifeguard and wilderness first responder.
As a parent, the most powerful gift I can give my children is to experience things firsthand, because I think that's where growth happens the most.
It's through those challenges that they learn what they're truly capable of and the level of strength that they have within themselves.